So I was on the internet the other day. I know that's probably not a common practice for you, but it happens once in a while around here. And I saw that this month, June, is Data Backup Awareness Month. And
That's not a thing, I don't think.
Brian's still reluctant to believe, even after I showed it to him. But whether or not it's a real thing, we thought it was a great opportunity for us to take a minute to talk about data backup and what we have available for you at StoneSpot to make that easier and more possible for you to do with the data that you're putting into StoneSpot.
Yeah, I think it's important to realize that there is no 100% fail-proof system. But we're doing the best we can, and we feel pretty good about this connection with Dropbox. So what we found after kind of looking around is that we could, in StoneSpot, every time you click Save on an order, we could make a PDF copy of that order. And then we can push that PDF copy over to Dropbox's servers. And then they have a very nice little piece of software that you can download on all of the computers in your shop. And when StoneSpot sends a copy, like a PDF copy of an order to Dropbox, then Dropbox will trickle that down into all the computers in your shop. So the end effect is that you have a copy of all your StoneSpot orders in the Dropbox servers, and you have a copy of all your orders on your own computers in your shop.
Right, which is awesome because you don't need the internet anymore to access that. So if your internet's totally down, you still have all of your information up to date on your own computer in a PDF form, that you can look at and access if it came to that, if that's what you needed to keep working. And just to be clear, this is not like a universal Dropbox account. This is your own Dropbox account. So you would go out and set up your own Dropbox account if you don't have one already, and then you would connect that Dropbox account to the StoneSpot account. And that's the way that StoneSpot would communicate or know where to communicate to your Dropbox account.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's really cool. You should probably check it. Just click on the Dropbox folder on your computer. Check it every day or two and just be sure everything is coming through correctly. But it's such a minimal, tiny thing to click on that and just check it. So
However
it really,
often you feel like you need to make sure you know that data's in there and that you're doing your part for Data Backup Awareness Month. And we made a video that showed you how to connect your accounts. That's below. So go ahead and click on that if you want to get started. And we sure appreciate you guys. Hope you have a good month.